Hi everyone, welcome to this new tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to show you how you can work in full screen mode while inside Twinmotion. As you can see here, all my user interface panel are open. I have the library, the scene graph and the dock, and it starts to be a bit crowded. To work in full screen, I can just simply click on that icon to remove all the user interface. And now inside Twinmotion 2022, we have added some options that allow you, for example, to select an object, move it, you can also turn that object. If you press Shift, you can even duplicate that object. Let's come inside. Same thing over here, if I click on that table, those chairs are placed as a child of those objects, so I can move all that pack of objects together. If I want to scale an object also, I can simply select that object, place it on the ground, maybe turn it, and just press Tab to switch to the Scale tool to scale it up. You can even select an object and delete it while you are in full screen mode like that. And if you want to exit that full screen mode, you can simply click again on that icon, or the shortcut is F12. And that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for joining me, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye everyone!